this is Josh here from PriceAction Mastery. So today we will be analyzing the market analysis for the upcoming week, which is the 17th of August until the 22nd. Yes, 22nd of August. Okay, 17th August until 22nd of August 2020. So as usual, we start from the Aussie pair. Okay, Aussie pair always start from the A. Okay, so from here as we can see, overall market is in a very clear uptrend. So as the day one trader, I'll be just looking into a buy position. Okay, so I'll be placing my key line over here. Okay, slightly this level, so I'll be expecting a buy level here because the critical point haven't break yet. Okay, so once I look into H4, yes, every sign, okay, everything is just showing that they wanted to go up again. So if you want to play safe, okay, if you want to play safe, I advise to wait for the market to break above this level and we go for a long position. Okay, so expecting something to happen like this. Okay, it's a huge potential of happening such thing, right? Huge potential. Okay, so I expecting something like this to be happen very soon. Okay, so maybe Monday morning market will drop first. Even the market drop first, I'll be seeing a upside exposure. Okay, so basically for AUD USD, I'll be seeing still in buyer side. Okay, the next will be Aussie Yen. So I believe that slightly they are mostly the same because if Aussie is advancing, so basically Aussie Yen also. Okay, so this is the very clear resistance level. So a lot of traders are actually waiting for here, but we are not going to be trader. Okay, because not going to be a seller. We are not going to sell at the resistance. Okay, so let's see in H4. Okay, very cool. Okay. Okay, so I believe that a lot of people will be seeing this double top and go for short, right? Go for short, but I will be still looking to buyer, okay? But of course, not buy any high price. The seller will bring the market low first. So until this somewhere here, I'll be looking for buy confirmation. Then I'm looking for buy. I'd rather to buy in this pair. I'm preferring buy in this pair, and then wait. I will be bringing the market to this level of high. Okay, so this Aussie Yen. So next we go for Aussie CAD. Okay, Aussie CAD. Okay, basically yes. Okay, so let's see what we got in this chart. Okay, so if we look into day one chart, okay, day one chart, this is the level, okay, this is our key level. Okay, so market have broke. Okay, I'm not expecting I'm not seeing sell first, okay, because I seeing the buy is quite strong in the fourth. Maybe a high price will be bringing to this level, then I can go for a short. Okay, so definitely market already broke a critical point. Okay, market already broke a critical point. Okay, critical point. So I expecting a higher retest until this level and drop. Yeah, a critical point is a very good advanced knowledge for everyone to learn to identify the real trend and the fake trend. Okay, so this without any comment, the entire week just holding here. So I expecting the same thing going to happen for the next week, which is the market still continue to holding over this zone. So next will be Aussie New Zealand. Okay, Aussie New Zealand, wow, it's a big advance. Okay, let's look into weekly chart. Okay, so seem like market is heading to this level. Okay, market is heading to this level. So if I look into day one chart, the chart in day one. Okay. So this will be the level that a lot of seller will be coming in. Okay, market is approaching to this level. So expecting when market approach to this level, there's many seller will bring the price low, and I will look for low price and wait for a banker confirmation and have my buy position. Okay, have my buy position. Okay, we always wait for the bankers, which is the real volume where the buyers in, okay, the real world. Because basically forex is a very huge volatile market. That's why to be consistent success in this market, you need some volatility, you need some liquidity. So we borrow liquidity from those who are big player. Okay, next will be GBP USD. Okay, basically GBP USD, they are basically in a big range, as you can see, the range between this and this level. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, okay, I can see that from here, market is getting high, low, higher, high. So I think market can reach up to this level and further advance. So I'll be wait for the market to retrace up to this level, and I see for opportunity and have a banker sign, then I'll go for a long trade, or I will just immediately go in, also can. Okay, but always follow your money management. This is a video, trading idea video, not as a tips or any signal. We just share what is our view for the upcoming week. Okay, so this, okay, yeah, okay, so expecting market to drop until this level, and I see for the upside. Okay, something to happen like this, because this is the level that I'm looking for. Okay, so maybe this level will be from some banker sign, where I'll be wait for a banker sign, then I'll be going in, or I will straight going in, because this level also a very good critical zone. Okay, for this, okay, so for GBP OC, I expecting something like this, drop to here, then look for a buy position, then bring it to this high first of all. Okay, to this high first. Okay, so why some of my students or followers, they asking me, hey, why you just target here, why you not target here or here or here? It's a very good profit, right? Yes, okay, it's a very good profit, but I noticed something, that I can see that when the market first appreciate to this level, they bring it down. Okay, then I know that this level having some strong power that defending the market to drop. So ask yourself, are you able to withstand the tension, the pressure, which is when you start buying from here, the market appreciate to this level, then you're not closing order, then you let it flow. Once later on you open your laptop or open your trade, you see the market drop to here. Can you withstand the pressure of reducing in profit, okay, and then lately going up? Can you withstand? If you can withstand, then sure, you can just hold trade. If you cannot, please do so to close your trade here, because of you already know that this is the price that everyone can be accepted. Okay, the next will be GBP CAD, okay, GBP CAD. So for this GBP CAD, okay, so a lot of people, okay, for us, for our PriceAction human behavior PriceAction, I'm still seeing this as a buy side, okay, even though market just dropped like this, okay, but I can see that market could drop until this level and going up, or even this level, it will going up. That's why I need to see, okay, because I haven't seen any banker sign to confirm, okay. As you can see, but this high, this low, this higher high, right? So maybe here will be for me a higher low. Who knows? That's why a banker confirmation is needed in this trade. Okay, the next will be GBP CHF. Okay, so GBP CHF basically very clear uptrend. Okay, clear uptrend. Okay, so this level will be very good buying level. That's why you can see a lot of traders are actually defending over this area. They buy. So if you ask me, I'm still looking for buy. And then if I buy around here, my SL will be placing over this area. Okay, over this area by using the wick of the candle. Okay, by adding the buffer. So the why we need to add the buffer, because we have calculated. Okay, we have calculated the buffer of the trade, which is by adding the SL with buffer, the chances of getting SL is lower than before. Okay, Okay, the next will be GBP New Zealand. Okay, GBP New Zealand. So we can see that market is just advancing. Okay, so with no doubt for this trade, I'm going to wait. It come back here and go for a buy. The next will be gold. Yes, go. Okay, gold will be this level. Okay, because I can see that market is having high and higher high. So this level will be a very good buying area, as everyone can see. In my fund management account, we did have already execute a buy trade. So just waiting for the upcoming. Okay. Okay, so this is for gold. Okay, the next will be euro pair. Okay, then first we're going to euro JPY. Okay, euro JPY. Okay, euro JPY. What we can see is market. I will wait for the market to retrace up to this level. This is the level that provide me a very good risk reward, which is a very low downside. Okay, a very good upside, which is, as you can see, if the market come back to this level and I would buy, I can make around 200 pips. Okay, so my SL is just lower here, like the maximum will go to 30 pips only. But if I buy now, my SL is more than 250 pips. It's not that worth. So that's why for this, I will be wait for the retracement first. Okay, so for the next, okay, Euro CAD. Okay, Euro CAD. Okay, so for Euro CAD, the same situation happen. Okay, I'm expecting market to come back and I will seeing a buy because of the critical point already broke. Okay, the critical point already broke. This is the critical point. Okay, this is the critical point, which mean which mean this zone. Okay, this zone, this entire zone was critical point. Okay, so if you wanted to know what's critical point and how it is powerful to help you, I have already prepared a very valuable cost for everyone. Okay, just sign up with just $100. Okay, just $100, you can actually learn from it. Okay, $100. Okay. Okay, but the critical point material is still in progressing. So I'll be announced, okay, officially announced in our Facebook. So once we have prepared, we have get everything done, so we'll be announcing in Facebook. So keep in touch with us in Facebook. Okay, the next will be Euro CHF. Okay, very clear, no need to discuss so much, just a range market. Okay, but this range I will be preferring in buy position is better. Buy position is better. So another one will be okay, Euro GBP. Okay, so Euro GBP, what did the market just happen? Okay, so the market, okay, as you guys can see, okay, as you guys can see, how strong is the critical point? So as you can see, this is the critical point. That's why market every time when market come back to here drop, come back to here drop, come back to here also drop. So this time I also expecting here and drop, but I'll be expecting a banker confirmation first. Okay. Okay. For this critical point is the basically there's no one teaching outside because this is the very strong power area, okay, strong and power area that give us the very good risk reward entry. Okay, so if you really wanted to inquire what is that, okay, you may attend for our free consultation service. Okay, later on I'll be putting the free consultation service link at below. Okay, or I will be linked. You can later on you check out the comment below. Okay, check out the description below. We'll be having our landing page link. So you click on that and you scroll to the bottom. Then you find a free consultation service. Okay. Okay, so next, okay, so basically, this level, a lot of sellers are basically selling. As we can see, a lot of sellers are actually selling. But I'm expecting a breakout later on. Okay, for the upcoming week, I'm expecting a breakout because the market already formed a setup to reverse the entire trend. Market wanted to go upside already. Okay, the next will be Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD, wow, still up. So a buy position will be here. Okay, will be bottom. Look for a buy position. Okay, another New Zealand, wow, it's growing. Okay, market is growing. So expecting market to drop back to this level and seeing upside exposure. Okay. Okay, so let's get to another pair. Okay, New Zealand pair, right? New Zealand, which means kiwi. Anyone like kiwi? Anybody like kiwi? Kiwi. Okay, so I and very appreciate for those who follow my trading ideas. Okay, weekly analysis. So if you do really like my analysis, please give me a like, okay, at the below, and then also invite your friend to subscribe to our channel. So I promise that I will do this consistently, okay, by helping you in growing your trade. Okay, of course, if you really inquiry, if you really uh, wanted to learn, so please contact with our number. So everything is negotiable. Okay, everything is negotiable. Okay, just depend on what you need, then we provide the needs that you want. Okay, so New Zealand dollar. Okay. Okay, so I'm still seeing a buyer side. Okay, if look in the bigger one, okay, in the bigger picture, this is so-called a high. Okay, this is a low. Okay, this is our higher high. So as you can see, entire trade is still in a uptrend. Okay, entire trend is still in uptrend. That's why market can actually reach until this level and shoot up again. That's why I'm still seeing for buyer side. Okay, still seeing for buyer side. Even though if you look into day one, okay, market still retesting. Okay, still testing. But okay, of course, if you buy, okay, you cannot say, oh, I buy, I want to target to this high. No more. The first level is going to target to this level first. I expecting buy to come in, and then here is the area where seller is going to join the game. Okay, the next will be NZD-JPY. Okay, basically NZD-JPY is in a range market, so this is the support, and this is the resistance. Okay, so for this, I'm not going to give much more comment because this is quite choppy for me. So when the chart is choppy, try to away from it. Okay, don't try not to have that kind of mindset of, oh, this chart is very choppy, it's very difficult. Once I can analyze this, I can sure master any chart. Okay, this thing is not work. It's not going to happen in trading, because trading is you should flow like a water. Be flexible. Okay, be flexible. Okay, so for this exactly CHF, basically wait for retrace. Basically, usually Monday market, most of the pair will be having their retracement, and then starting around 8 to 9 something, they will start to gain back to their trend. Okay, so basically be expecting for retracement in this first, and then next will be New Zealand cat. Oh, New Zealand cat. Okay, yeah, just broke the critical point. Okay, so expecting this level to have my short position. Okay, so which means I'll be waiting the market come back to this area and short. Okay, the next will be others pair, which means CAD yen, CAD CHF, and CHF yen. Okay, so first we go into CAD JPY. Okay, CAD JPY market is going to drop. Okay, yen Canadian is going to drop. So I'll be expecting this level. Okay, this is my key line level. So I expecting market to reach up to this level, and I look for a short because the critical point already broke. Okay, critical point already broke. So it broke a critical point, so we'll be changing our eyesight from a buyer into a seller eyesight. Okay, so for this CHF yen still going to it able to drop here and go advance or straight advance. That's why if this CHF yen going to advance, which means USD CHF is going to weak again, which means dollar next week, upcoming week going to be weakened again. Yeah, break the critical point. Hooray, hooray. Okay, so expecting a sell. Any higher price to trace and look for a sell. Of course. Okay, if for my members, definitely we're going to trade at the key line, right? Okay, I'll be placing here. Okay, so I'll be waiting here. So when the market come back to this level, I'll be shorting here, and then SL will be placed properly by using the pre-banker sign, which means the banker sign that has already activated. Okay. Okay, the next will be the last three pair will be USD pair. Okay, so this pair, okay, as we can see, market is defending at this support level. Can you guys see? So if it can break through, I'll be seeing a sell. Okay, I'll be seeing a sell. So currently it's too early to judge the pair. So everything for this pair still in the upside exposure. Okay, still in upside exposure. If it broke this support, then the story is changed. But I know that a lot of people is going to buy here. Okay, a lot of people is going to buy at this support. And lately, the market I will expecting drop is more potential to happen. Okay, a drop is more potential to be happen. Okay, so for this USD CAD, okay, USD CAD. Okay. So basically, everyone will be seeing this pin bar and look for a short. So now market is advancing. But I expecting market to advance to this level and drop. Okay, so I will wait for the better high price to sell because currently I feel like critical point area is more better for me to have a trade. Okay, so as you can see, USD CHF is going to short again. It's going to short again. So for this USD CHF, wait for this over this area to have the short trade. Okay, so basically I have covered the entire chart, which is the 17th of August until the 22nd of August 2020. So if you really wanted to learn, but it's just a matter of time, don't worry, we have the time slot for you. Especially we can adjust the time for you as long as you are the learner, you are willing to learn. Okay, so basically to be announced. Okay, so this will be our last offer before September. Okay, last offer before September, right? Okay, before September, because we are now having a list of program that in the future we are going to increase our pricing due to we are just newly opened an office, and then we are also adjusting some of the cost material, so everything will be changing. That's why a cost fee will be also be increased. So this is the last offer before September. If everyone who wanted to sign up for the course, okay, please WhatsApp to this link. Okay, WhatsApp. It is Malaysian number. Okay, Malaysian number. So for maybe you can plus 6, right? Okay, so WhatsApp this number to get the offer. So when you WhatsApp this number, you just click on offer, OFFER, and then I know you are wanted to get this offer, or you can click the link below to get a free consultation as I mentioned before. Okay, so thank you for the viewing. I'll be seeing in our PriceAction human behavior classes. See you guys